It's not going to be easy. It's going to be fucking hard.
Alrighty, boys and girls, good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well, guys. What's up, guys? Good morning, good morning. Say what's up in the chat. Hit the like button before we get started. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Real Festo, Zalan, Mr. Gamudi, Mark, good morning. Hindsight King, Naz Lover, Sean, Roger, Kookie, what's up, man? Big Head Reef, JP Trades, M-Link Trading? M-Linka Trading, good morning. Sushan, Irwin, good morning. Connor, what's up, man? Hudson, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Come on in, chat. The water's fine. The water is just fine. We got about a minute here until market opens up. So we'll go ahead and jump into the charts. Looking at the economic calendar, I do see this was not on the calendar as of yesterday when we checked, but we have Fed Chairman Designate Warsh testifying this morning at 10 a.m. So, well, I don't know. That could make things a little interesting, I guess. So yeah, it says source released testimony text 21 hours earlier than scheduled. This was scheduled 21 hours, supposed to be 21 hours later. So this is early. Okay, so I'm not crazy. But we got that going on at 10 o'clock today, apparently. So we will have to tread carefully, perhaps. Maybe, perhaps. We'll see. So, but that's that, man. Good morning, everybody. Let me turn the background music down a little bit, and we'll jump in. So, all right. So just to kind of quickly recap where we ended up finishing the day off yesterday. By the way, market is about to open, so don't let me miss the opening bell again. There we go. We did end up rallying off of the London low. If you guys were on stream yesterday, I got tragically left behind on probably the fastest trade, or what would have been the fastest trade of probably many of our lifetimes, as price just absolutely in 16 seconds went like 90 points to our London low target and the new week opening gap low. From that point, we rallied pretty much a slow grind back up, and you guys can see now that we've traded above previous weekly high. On the NASDAQ, we did not get there on ES, so we do have a little SMT at that previous weekly high, by the way. And now we see price starting to spill over here on the hourly chart. Here's our 4-hour, very strong wick rejection at the top of this candle. And we're starting to see price now displace right now currently below the overnight session lows. Let me go back to this 4-hour. I was just checking. I don't see any inefficiencies in here that we are trading into per se. So we'll see what this wants to do. Maybe we see price reach for these lows from yesterday after taking out previous weekly high, perhaps. We'll have to kind of wait and see. Going to be a little interesting, like I said, with that Fed of the, or chair of the Fed designate going to be testifying at 10 a.m. I don't know what kind of reaction that's going to give the market. This is probably a first for many of us, I would say, right? Since most of us have started trading, it's just been Jerome Powell. It's been Daddy Powell this whole time. And now we got a new designate. So we'll have to see how that reacts. But some of you guys are saying MNQ is different than NQ. Let me check. Are you just saying from the structure the last couple of days? Because, yeah, that's just kind of been, is what it is. But as far as, like, taking out certain levels, we've taken out the same levels, it looks like. So that's good. We are just, wow, we're kind of moving fast to the downside here. At the open. Kind of moving quickly to the downside here at the open, chat. But yeah, the only levels really to mark out here, there's no 1 hour inefficiencies in this leg, really. Yeah, everything's pretty efficient. Nothing on the 4 hour, right? Obviously, we got these down close candles that maybe we could find some support at, but that'd be about it. Like, nothing that we're trading into here, imbalance-wise, that would really slow price up, I don't think. So we'll have to see. Otherwise, yeah, I mean, previous day low, If you're just going off Monday's action, you got 569 here on the micro chart, and then that low from Sunday's open, 534, just below that. So could be Friday's low is 443 as well, I believe. Or wait, no. Yeah, no, that's right. Yep. All right, man. So we do got some levels, that's for sure. But holy shit, this thing is just not wasting any time here this morning. Not wasting no time here, chat. Seeing us spill over. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, everybody? Big Head Reef, don't scare me like that, man. Don't say no audio. I was like, man, I'm going to repeat my whole spiel there. 1 hour imbalance that is not on MNQ. Let me check that. Is there a little 1 hour here? Let me check it. Oh, just this little gap here. I mean, yeah, it's pretty small, but yeah, I guess there's a little gap there on the hourly chart for NQ. We'll see here. We got a lot of, this is displacing pretty quickly at the moment. Only 3 minutes into the open, boys. We've already covered, let's see here. From the open, we had a little spike up of about 30 points. And currently down 70 off that already, just from the open. But let me check the poll in the shot. What do we got here? What's going on today? All right, now we're back to a little bit more even ground here, guys. We got 42% of the chat is bearish, 40% of the chat is bullish, so we're pretty even. As opposed to yesterday, it was a little more lopsided. A little more even today. So we'll have to wait and see, man. Powell retired? No, I think he's Trump's trying to get him out of there, man. Trump's trying to get him out of there because he won't lower the interest rates, is what it seems. Fair value gap on the H12. Let me check that H12, that 12-hour chart, boys. How could I forget the 12-hour chart? There is a little 12-hour gap here, boys. I do have a couple unorthodox time frames on my favorites that I have saved. I thought I had the 8-hour saved on here at one point. My favorite unorthodox time frame is probably the 10-minute. The 6-hour. The 90-minute. But yeah, the 12-hour. You ain't kidding. There is a 12-hour FEG, Bebin. Bebin? Did I say your name right? Not the 12-hour FEG. Son of a gun. The only problem is we got 7.5 hours left on this 12-hour candle. And I don't know about you, but I'm not going to be waiting for the 12-hour close today before engaging with anything here, maybe. Well, that's just me. The water is wet made your day? Yeah. Yeah, there's... It is crazy, man. I mean, yeah, the insider trading shit is just so... It's obviously fascinating for us because we all day trade, so... it's just crazy. Every time we got these big headlines that come in, and then it's like reports come out later in the day that there was like a huge influx of orders in the futures market that are being placed on oil, on S&P, 15 minutes or whatever prior to these big headlines that move the market like almost instantaneously. It's wild, man. It's got to be Barron Trump, boys. It's got to be Barron. That's what, like, who the fuck else? It's got to be Barron, right? You guys think Barron Trump is just sitting there just like, I don't know. Do you think Barron Trump, like, because he's younger, he like maybe is a little bit in touch with social media? Like maybe he's sitting here watching different trading live streamers and he's just laughing his ass off as he's like getting ready to like, hey dad, hang on, give me 10 more minutes before you post that on Truth Social. I'm filling out my orders here just real quick. 1 second. Thanks, Dad. Made 50 million today. Should be enough for me and Israel. Plot twist, he's an ICT trader. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, those SMTs. Barron's the one printing these SMTs. Son of a gun. Sick of the moves happening pre-market too. Yeah, well, what can we do? What's up? It is me trading. What's up, man? Do you think the live press conference of Trump will affect today's PA? Haha. I did not watch any of it this morning. I know he was talking earlier this morning at 8:30. Is he still talking, by the way? I didn't even check. I don't even know if he's done yet. Sometimes he likes to go for a while. I did not watch any of it, though. I did not watch any of it. Did he say anything worthwhile that you kids care to share? I didn't see any headlines yet. I don't think he's still alive. I don't see anything. The hair routine. I'm trying to grow this shit out, boys. To be honest with you, I think I'm gonna. I don't know if I can. My problem is, I usually get a haircut like every 3 or 4 weeks. Well, yeah. So it's just like every time I tell myself I'm gonna try to like grow out the mop a little bit, it's just like I get to like week 4 or 5, and I'm just like, fuck, this looks like shit. And then I try to like, you know, I'm not like a hat person either. I don't wear a lot of hats. So I can't really run from that awkward growth phase of hair. You know what I'm saying, boys? But anyway, hair routine. Water, either in the form of a shower or if I'm already showered up, I'll just fucking run that shit under some water, get it all wet. You know what I'm saying? And throw a little product in it. We're good to go. Style it up and to the side. I got a little cowlick. Right here on the corner of my forehead. So I just like push my hair up and towards that. Ladies love it. Ladies love it. You know what I'm saying? Gets them going. Party in the back. There's like no, but yeah, there's no party in the back. There's no party in the back unless you're talking about that dump truck, boys. Unless you're talking about that dumpy. That's about it, though. Throw that in a circle. Ban you for what, Z-Trades? I mean, I'll ban you if you want me to. I don't know what you want me to ban you for, though. You guys know me. I'll ban people. This is a dictatorship, this live room. And we like it that way. Your joke you made? So you are not capping? That one? I don't get the joke, but... Capping. What was I just talking about 2 minutes ago? I already forget what I was talking about 3 minutes ago. Shorts to previous day low. I am open to that possibility, Nika. Yeah. I'm kind of just trying to let this first initial like 15 minutes play out at least. But yeah, it would make a lot of sense, I would say. SMT at the previous weekly high taken. We've obviously gotten some good displacement down here. So, you know, can we find a continuation towards, you know, 569 Monday low? And then we just got a lot of stacked lows down here too. So it's like, could we go run that out? And then obviously we'll have to see what happens once, what's his nuts? What's this guy's name anyway? Warsh? What's his first name? I forget. Something Warsh. Kevin Warsh. We'll see what happens when this Kevin Warsh shit starts, I guess, but gonna miss Daddy Powell, man. Gonna miss Daddy Powell. They don't make them like Jerome anymore, do they? Unprofitable son or thought daughter. Unprofitable son. I feel like that's not even bad. At least he's trying. You know what I'm saying, boys? At least he's trying. He'll get there someday. Boy copied the ICT tweet. Me? What's his tweet? I am subscribed to his tweets, but what's his tweet? The last three that I see here are live stream won't connect, starting to feel personal, and then he says 26,695. 695? I never said that one time. I said 569 and potentially these lows here. Where is 695? Where's that at? Here? What's that 695? Hang on. 695. I actually don't know what's here. What's the significance of this level, boys? Someone fill me in. 695. Is it just like it's not even an opening range gap low or anything? I don't know. You were thinking, so nobody knows? I was thinking OTE. Oh, yeah, so fucking nobody knows what this level is. It's just a fucking random number, evidently, to most of us. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see anything there, but. Not you, this guy. Oh, did somebody else? Yeah, I'm going to ban that ass. Yeah, Boy Alvardo, he typed it in here. Oh, yeah, he's copying ICT for sure. Boy Alvardo, let us know what that level is other than ICT's tweet. Please. What's up, Anissa? Gabe, good morning. 1330 FE, 1330 FEG? 1330 FEG? Military time? You going military time on me? The 130 FEG? On what time frame? All right, boys. The 15-minute did close. And we'll see here. We did just trade up into a 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Let's watch this here. Yeah, we'll see, man. If this kind of just continues with some speed here below this low, I may just play this as our 5-minute order block since this has already traded up into this fair value gap here. And we'll see if we can find continuation off this towards these lows here. But yeah, I might just use this as the OB if we get this acting fast. See Dow Jones here kind of pushing up to new highs already. So we are a little out of sync with that. Do want to keep this gap in mind. If this 15-minute candle closes without us retracing, then we'll have this 15-minute gap left at the close of this candle, at the close of the hour. There's a new high on Dow. Oh, Dow is ripping right now. What's going on? Dow's going to the moon. I mean, yeah, Dow Jones does have a nice hourly gap here that is supporting this push. And yeah, ES looking like it wants to flip this 5-minute gap as well. A lot of volatility. I don't know, honestly. This is a first for me, boys. This is probably a first for many of us. I don't think, like I said, I don't think any of us have ever had to worry about like another chairman of the Fed testifying since we've been trading. So this is new territory. So we shall see what it wants to do. I mean, if anything, I guess I don't want to make any predictions. I guess I really don't know. But I could see, I don't know, I guess I could see both. I could see volatility. I could see it kind of just chopping up because it's so unknown. But we'll have to wait and see, man. I don't want to say one thing and then as soon as it starts, it's just exact opposite. Coupon code for Apex. Yeah, my code is Tyler on most prop firms. And yeah, the 90% off. I don't know. I don't think it got extended. I was not told it was extended if it was, but yeah, today's the last day for the 90% off on the Apex accounts. ICT is live. He got the live stream working, did he? Let me know if he says anything good. Let me know. Let me know. All right, so we are. Here's the thing. This is like kind of similar to yesterday, the way that this is starting to maybe set up, boys. We got ES about to rip through this structural high here at 930, right? This opening range current high. And if you guys remember what we did yesterday, we SMT'd that local high on NQ and ES, and then NQ basically gave us a perfect like OTE short. Let's see if it wants to do the same thing. Here's 50%. Macro is about to begin. Better look alive here. Let me grab a sip of my coffee. I better look alive here. You never know. Yeah, let's see. Maybe we can probably use this 1 minute inversion off that as well as a possible entry. Now that we're in macro. May give that a whirl. I just may give that a whirl, chat. And, man, yeah, we'll see. Might leave runners. Should be good. We'll see here if we get this inversion. I'll probably give this a try. No closure yet. Would not mind if this doesn't go right now and we get one more drive up into OT. I'm kind of like a little OCD. Would have liked to have seen that touch, to be honest. But no trade yet, guys. No trade yet. At least not for me. OCD on the OTE. I know, it's always nice. Because sometimes what fucking happens is, well, nothing's 100% as we know. But every once in a while, you do see price will like give like a inducement off of a 50% tap. Sometimes that's all you get, but every once in a while you'll see price like it'll induce off the 50% and then it'll drive people out one more time and then you'll go. So that's why I prefer to see the OT get triggered if we can get there. We do have the SMT here now officially. We're trading above that structural high on ES. We'll see. It's kind of a strong close here. Kind of a strong close on that candle though. We'll see, you know, if this SMT wants to hold or not. There, but yeah, there's 618 though. There is the 618er. Yeah, I will admit that the ES chart, I'm watching the hourly chart up here as these hourly candles are forming, and that ES hourly candle looks looks anything but bearish right now. All right, new fair value gap here. I'm going to treat it the same way. If we get inversion here, I'm going to try the short. But obviously, if this keeps holding, then we're going to have to obviously reassess here because if this holds, then we're flipping probably bullish. We're just not seeing the bearish PD raise hold here. I just don't want to short, or I don't want to long prior to this flip. Like, I want to respect this as a possibility to hold for short until it flips it. ICT is live. Thanks for repeating that. What do you want me to do with that information? What am I? Do you guys want me to end my stream and we'll go to his stream? I can do that if you guys want. I can do that. We can end this shit. What are we doing? I don't know. I was hoping you would know. Is he even giving signals? Don't let me miss the signals, boys. I'm trusting the chat. If we got signals, you better be sending them in here. We probably won't take them, but I still want to be in the loop. Yeah, we're seeing everything kind of respect bullish here, aren't we? Aren't we, chat? Going down, 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 down. Yeah, here's our 9:30 opening in New York midnight again, and 786 of just this opening range. What do you guys think? 3 PD raise disrespect. Your ass is next. Yeah, if you're already in shorts, then yeah, probably starting to look like it. That ass might be next. Kooky. Very well could be. So this 5 minute obviously is going to close. We're going to be closing the hourly candle here. And the 4 hour. What is the 4 hour? What are we looking like on the 4 hour right now? We're actually, it's like a, I don't know, it's kind of like a doji, but yeah, strong wicks both sides here on the 4 hour. Huge rejection on the hourly wick though. And yeah, I just think if we were going to see continuations here, I would have liked to have seen this hold, I think, right? 15 minute we close that in. How we feeling, chat? New new all-time high or what? New all-time high or what? Yeah, the longs are working for right now. I don't know. I'm gonna keep watching this. I'm still a little bit like. But yeah, I'm about to flip this here on this 5-minute close. Hourly candle, she's wicked, man. That is for sure. NQ is kind of lagging behind here to the upside as far as longs, but Shreds is thinking short. Not giving up on the short bias yet, Shreds. This SMT still is here, technically. Trump literally said he doesn't want to extend the ceasefire, and we are going. He does not want to extend the ceasefire, and we are going higher again. Oh. MNQ is NQ is off. What else is new? Why am I on the 30-second, by the way? How the fuck did that happen? All right, guys. New hour here. Yeah, I mean, ES, I'm watching the 5-minute. ES tagged the 5-minute bullish gap just here off that open. We could be leaving behind one on NQ here. So we were kind of like almost flipping strength a little bit now. NQ is kind of gaining more strength here. I'm going to mark out this high here. This thing is ripping. Man, I kind of want to try to demand a higher retracement into this hourly wick if we can, but yeah, Shreds. I had the same thought process as you. As soon as I saw that hourly candle, I'm like, yeah, well, no, that don't look good. To be honest, the future of electric vehicles seems extremely bleak, with market not doing well. Probably not doing well anytime soon. FFAI may tip into bankruptcy. If anything, it will reach 60 cents. What? Thank you, Stock Update Daily. Tesla earnings is tomorrow. Right? Today's Tuesday, isn't it? Yeah. Isn't it tomorrow? I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, Tesla earnings is tomorrow afternoon. Fed chairman is testifying right now. I'm going to try to pull that up, actually. I'm going to see if I can find that happening. You think he'll at least wear a purple tie like Daddy Powell? I think this is it. We'll see. I'm gonna mute it for now. All right, boys. I'm gonna try to look for where I would want to maybe participate in a long. I mean, I'd have to wait for an entry to be offered to me. 5 minute. Let's check out that 10-minute chart, shall we? That 10-minute maybe leaves a gap behind here. I'm thinking like 9:30 opening, like a retest. We do have a 5-minute gap left down in here. I wonder if we could get there. That would be 50% of this hourly wick. I just like don't want to chase price up in here. Personally. But, you know, can we get some retracement down into here and try to find longs out of here if we can get this? I just can't believe my first love won't be around, and I'm like, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 oh. Yeah, I mean, it does look cleaner on ES, doesn't it? But otherwise, yeah, buy side's 902. That's our external high. We did just get an immediate rebalance on the 15 here on NASDAQ. Kind of flipping that hourly. Can't. We're flirting with that hourly opening price.
To buy groceries, whether or not they can afford a home, how far their paycheck goes, especially at the end of the month. And in South Carolina, I hear all the time how families are working hard, doing everything right, and still feeling squeezed. Bidenomics made prices go up, and paychecks have not kept pace. Too many parents are stretching every single dollar they have just to cover the basics. And too many workers are wondering when the economy will start to feel stronger at their kitchen table, not just on paper. Congress, President Trump, and his administration are focusing on fixing the disastrous mistakes of Bidenomics to restore Americans' confidence in our economy. Through efforts like the Working Families Tax Cut bill, we are helping Americans keep more of their hard-earned.
We got Mr. Scott talking right now. We'll not sure what's going on here, but How are we feeling about this chat? Is this about to just kind of continue off this? Is this it, right? 15-minute. Let me show you the 15-minute here quick. So we got this immediate rebalance here on the 15. And we see this kind of continuing to push here, continuing to rally. This is so sharp. I wonder if this is going to be it for us here. Trying to find a continuation here so I don't get totally left, but I'll drop a limit on this OB. I don't know if we'll get picked up on this or not. FEG left behind. You don't trust NQ until you hit TP? Same. Same for me. So yeah, just to kind of quick go back. Remember we were talking about the hourly. Well, first of all, the only gap we had on NASDAQ was this 12-hour FEG. Look at that 12-hour FEG holding like a champ. And then on the 4-hour, the only thing we really had in here to support price was just this 4-hour down close. Like the hourly wasn't really much. There was a tiny little 1-hour FEG in here, I suppose, on the E-mini chart. Now we're trying to see if we can get, I like that 5-minute close. Let's see if we can get picked up here. I'm going to try to go for this continuation. And my thought process is simply just that the hourly candle that we're on is not going to flip bearish, that we're going to continue bullish here. So that's kind of my thesis here. Oh, come on. Don't tease me. Don't tease me like that. Oh, no. Oh, the tease. You tease. Bro, you didn't even get to 50%. Quit playing. You didn't even get to 50%. Quit playing. Oh, my lordy. Oh, lordy. Oh, lordy. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. Fuck, that's not good. Oh, my gosh. A47. Wow. This shit actually is about to do with me like that, huh? A47.75 was the low of that candle. A46.50 is my limit. 5 ticks. Is that right? Well. Well. That's fucking rude. That's rude, isn't it? What was it, like 2 ticks yesterday, 5 ticks today? This is going great. This is off to a great start. What's up, dude? Well, anyway, I don't know. I'm gonna leave the limit on here just in case some fluke retracement grabs my entry until target gets hit. Once target gets hit, then we'll just kill it, obviously. Now we got Elizabeth Warren yapping. What the hell is she saying?
Comes to the safety and security and the health of our families. I know we are as one, and we are praying for
I don't like this chick.
Thank you.
I think it'd be appropriate for us.
All right, she's done. I'm just targeting the high. I'm just gonna be targeting the high here at 902. I'll show you guys. Here's the 15-minute. Oops. If you guys look at my chart here, the right side is NQ. It looks awfully sharp. It looks awfully V-shaped to me. I think we could see this. I think we see new highs here. That's what I'm trying to play. Don't tease me twice, NASDAQ. Don't you fucking dare. Don't you dare throw that water at me. Don't you fucking dare. Stop flexing your muscles, Jordan. You look like a fucking imbecile. Baby, come on. You should be happy that you have a husband that's in such great shape. You look so beautiful. Come give me a kiss. Come give me a kiss. Whoosh. Fuck you. Come on, NASDAQ. What are you doing? How are you going to tease me twice? Get that ass down here. She was just talking about a member losing a child. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I caught the tail end of whatever she was saying. I didn't really hear much. Don't crucify me. Pretty strong 15-minute close there as well. Oh, are you really not going to snag my entry there? Is that what are we doing that? Why are you doing that? Stop day trading. Timeout. The fuck kind of advice is that? You're going to timeout for that one, bossy. What's wrong with you? What the fuck was that guy's problem? All right, this is ridiculous. Really? NASDAQ, give me a fucking break.
That he has no regrets about anything he did. So let's take a deeper dive into Mr. Warsh's record. In the years leading up to the 2008 financial crisis, he was an enthusiastic cheerleader for credit default swaps and complex securitizations. He dismissed repeated and increasingly urgent concerns from
The Big Short
regarding subprime mortgages. He refused to use the Fed's authorities to address the risks that were building in the financial system. And when the crisis hit and the economy blew up,
Bro, you can just enter off the FEG. No fucking shit. Thanks for the fucking genius insight. Oh my God.
CEOs, and he worked tirelessly.
God forbid any of us ever show any discipline and wait for our limits to get filled. You fucking twats.
Regrets, he says. No regrets. After the crash, most people on the Fed saw millions of Americans unemployed, people who had lost their homes, and said, now might be a good time to lower rates and make the cost of borrowing cheaper for businesses to
Fucking dumb, dude. Everyone always has the most genius comments after price plays out. You guys are... It's hindsight, boys. It's hindsight. You think if I didn't know for 100% fact that we weren't going to go any lower than this, that I would have entered here? You don't think I'd know that? You don't think I would have done that? Do I have a crystal ball? No. Do you? No. So shut the fuck up. You understand me? Think. You got one of these. Use it. Now's not the fucking time. Now's not the fucking time. God.
second time, Warsh reversed himself once more and began shouting from the rooftops about how the Fed should cut interest rates. Evidently, he learned his lesson. This time around, he sucked up to Donald Trump to snag his dream job. Mr. Chairman, last week, every single Democratic member of this committee asked that you postpone this hearing and instead conduct...
All right, Elizabeth. Enough from you. You're cut off from talking. Might get filled anyway, boys. Might get filled anyway. Then what will they say? Stop loss incoming? Day 2 of asking Tyler for his chart colors. I mean, guys, the chart colors are not blockbuster here. Light gray, black, and green. All right, I am picked up on this, boys. I am picked up on this trade off this 1 minute OB and OTE. Let's fucking ride it, boys. Let's ride it. I'll give you the hex colors after this trade if you want them. They're not going to help you if that's what you're hoping for. Or just fucking tank. Just tank, I guess. Just tank. Just go straight to 0. Yeah. No, that's fine. No, yeah, that's fine. No, yeah, flip the hourly candle bearish. Yeah, no, do that. Yeah, just always do the opposite of whatever I do. Just do that. Our last hope here is that this low has been taken out on Dow Jones and ES already, so that's really it. We got SMT here. This is our last line of defense, boys. What to do right now? Don't do anything. Bump it up, don't you know? Bump it up. Why don't you grow your beard? What's up with these questions? This is the best I can do, man. It doesn't... My beard grows more on my neck than on my face. Unfortunately. Yeah, boys. I was trying to give this to a candle close, but I'm probably just gonna cut this. I'm gonna get out. I'm out. Here's full stop anyway. Nice. Well, shit. I thought we're at all-time highs. How come the longs don't work? Man, where the fuck?
Everyday Americans. The Federal Reserve must not be ruled by pointy-head economists poring over outdated models and reams of...
Senator Dave McCormick? Who this guy? Well, anyway, yeah, we'll see. We're hitting a 5-minute here. That'd be awfully disappointing if that's all the lower we go. You can't see 1080p? Sorry, Raja. I'm not sure what you want me to do. Oh, you wanted the what's his nuts wanted the hex code. All right, here's the hex code. Here's the hex code for the background if you want it. Light gray. It's like this. I'll just copy it, I guess. There you go. And then the candle is just black. And then the green color that I use for the up close candle is oops. Is that oh, here we go.
And I hope they'd be proud of me today. We start today with a note of broad agreement, even though we might have heard different narratives at the outset of this hearing. This is a time of great consequence for the nation's economy. As a former Fed governor and friend or colleague of the last 5 Fed
Dow is
chiefs,
dying.
from whom I've learned plenty of lessons, I'm particularly alert to the challenges and opportunities confronting the institution that I cherish, the Federal Reserve. To the President, to the Congress, the nation, I owe my best judgment and my most faithful efforts in serving the mission that you and Congress assigned to the Federal Reserve, including full employment and stable prices. The American people are counting on the Fed to deliver on its commitments, perhaps now more than ever. The real highlights of my life are not on my resume, as Senator McCormick said. They include the individuals with whom I worked and from whom I learned. I graduated from high school.
All right, well, enough of that guy yapping. What's next, chat? What's next? 9:02 or 7:26? What y'all think? What y'all think? Mm, 100 likes? You guys want to do a giveaway already? You guys want to do a giveaway already? 100 likes? There's only 75 likes. Nika, why you capping? Just for the live, we got to get to 150 likes for the first giveaway today. Jacob says shorts. Simon says short. Sixwell says downtown. You think so, boys? You think so, boys? I don't know. I don't know about that. I might retry this long again. Make it 200. I can. I absolutely could. This specific mug was a gift from Tyler Jacobs. I don't know if he's in the chat or not. It's an ember mug, so it keeps your coffee warm for like, I don't know, 90 minutes, 2 hours maybe. I think you can just get it on Amazon though. Shout out Tyler Jacobs. Oh, you definitely leave after 30 minutes. How do we participate in the giveaway? Just get the likes up, boys. I'll give you the deets. I'll give you the instructions for the giveaway when we run one. Get the likes up, boys. We got codes. I grabbed some Lucid codes last night. So we got Lucid, we got TRADEIFY, we got some Apex. Want to change your coffee game, get an espresso maker? I do have an espresso maker. Fun fact. She is nice. A lot of maintenance though. Kind of a, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of like high maintenance, a little high maintenance, dare I say spouse maybe? I don't know. Gotta give us some tender love and care. Was wondering if Ninja Trader is included. Yes. No, yeah, no. Yeah, everything is included with any purchase of a eval with any prop firm. All these platforms are included. Other than, well, Top Step is just Project X, but that's like the only one. Otherwise, plus your live data is included as well if you have a subscription with a prop. I have a Breville something. I don't know like all the name, like the model of it or whatever. It was like whatever the new Breville espresso machine was. I think I got it like a year ago. So whatever the model was at that time. Yep, even on TradingView. You just got to be logged in. You just got to be logged into your account on TradingView to then you'll have access to the live data. I'll be honest though, I never make lattes. I never like make any of this extra stuff with it. It's always just Americanos. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna go buy one real quick. Dude, I should get an affiliate code for Breville Espresso Maker. All right, so we got Dow Jones that is traded all the way towards this low from opening range. But I'm still sticking with the potential long idea here, chat. Might have just gotten a paper cut on the initial short a little, or initial long a little early. We traded a little lower into this unfilled 5. You know, and if we get closure above here on this 1 minute, confirming a 1 minute OB, I may reattempt this short, or this long, sorry. Still going for that external high. Just go stop at recent low. But if not, then we'll just wait. Oh, wow. All right. I'm going to give this another try, chat. I'm going for it again one more time here. Stop at recent low, and I'm going for 902 buy side. Got a nice fill there. Oops. The giveaway account has Amora. Are you trading on it? It is me. You won one, right? Recently? Last week, was it? Yeah, how's it going so far? Opening range low on Dow Jones was just taken out. Like Kanye, giveaway content. Yeah, if we get the likes up, boys, we'll do more giveaways. Trying to play this continuation if we can get it, but this 10 a.m. candle is creating some problems. We're not really doing a whole lot here. I think if we see another closure like back below here, I might just kill this trade too. And then just wait for 11. I wanted to give this one attempt after this tag here on the unfilled 5 and then in the new 30-minute candle, but like if we're just gonna sit here and fucking chop, dude, I don't want to sit in that. You know? Yeah, I'm just killing it. I don't like it. I'm just going to kill it for minus 100 there. I'm going to wait for 11. I'm going to wait for 11, chat. Thought we could get a little institutional order flow entry drill, get us some continuation, but we are just 10 a.m. is being a little on the homosexual side. Keep whipping back and forth this opening price. Price doesn't know if it wants to be bearish this candle or bullish. And frankly, I don't know either. Do you think you could have waited for macro before entry? Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm doing now, yeah. Yeah, I wanted to give it one attempt for a retry here, but it's not, there's just no volume here, so. Good call with the cut there. I think she's, well, my stop was this low, so cutting it up here saved me a little bit. Just don't want to be in this. Don't want to be in this choppy mess. Yeah. Market's funny. Hannah Banana says, see the first CISD all the way down there. I was in there. See that all-time high? I have a TP there. Now tell me I'm crazy. You're crazy, Hannah Banana. You are crazy, Hannah Banana. Two losses technically, but I cut both of them early. Gold 3K. What? What the hell are y'all saying? Are you calling for 3K on gold? If you say so. If you say so. But yeah, guys, I'm just going to wait till 11 o'clock macro here. This is just a mess. Literally, after 10 o'clock, the whole notion of what I was trying to do is this hourly candle. We opened up. Obviously, here's 10 a.m. Put in that lower wick. And I saw that we immediately rebalanced on NQ on the 15. And I just felt like this, it was so sharp that I felt like we could get another pop up to this high here at 902. Maybe we still do, but I did not anticipate it to be as slow as it became. So obviously, since the hour has opened up, 45 minutes has passed, and we're basically still at the opening price. So this is our hourly candle here. Yeah, so you know what I mean. I'm down 300. Yeah, I was like minus 200 on the first one, and then I closed it at like minus 100 on the second one there. Lunch will be better. I'm just trying to figure out where this is drawing to right now. Honestly, don't know. I don't know if we're going to a new high. I don't know if we're... I don't know if this was just a 97% retracement to the high just to go put in a new low, and then like our original bias was right with shorts. Like I actually don't know. I actually don't know at this point. Obviously, this hourly candle will tell us a lot, but trying to place trades within this hourly candle before it forms, I don't know, I'm kind of I'm not sure at the moment. I'm not sure at the moment. I would say though that obviously if this range holds, the problem is like waiting for this range like to go to OTE here and then maybe rally off of it. Like if it is bearish, then this is like I'm probably gonna miss all this. You know. But I can kind of make a case for both sides right now, so I don't know. I'm just a little bit like I'm just gonna wait and see what we do. Kind of feels like if I was gonna get the continuation on that long, it should have played out, you know, kind of like when I was trying to play it. That's why I feel like there's a chance I could be offside here, and this does go to a new low. But yeah, man, I would say it would have been a little bit. It would have been a little bit cleaner, man, if these continuation shorts would have came in. Like if we are going to get shorts, how clean that would have been if we would have gotten that opening range, right? This opening range leg when ES traded above it and we had that SMT. That would have been clean AF to get the short there with an OT of this and then see that continuation come in. This big retracement just kind of makes it a little trickier, you know, especially looking at this previous hourly close. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Come on, man. Look at that thing. You would like me to know that you're already in short, Newton. When you saw the negative SMT with ES and NQ, negative SMT. The only SMT that I see, unless I'm blind, is Dow Jones. Sorry, my head is covering it. But bottom left here on my chart, you guys can see Dow. The did go to that new high, and then ES and NQ did not. So that's the SMT I see there. Is there an SMT with ES as well that I don't see here? Or is there something on like a really small time frame? These little 5-minute highs right here. All right, kind of got moment of truth here. Moment of truth here. Here's OTE of this retracement. See if this blows out. I still think that if we do end up going bearish, that we still could see like 569. You know what I mean? We got a lot of levels down here to go reach for. So I think that could be in play if we do actually flip bearish. ICT called it live. Did he take any trades though? Listen, I think anybody could call anything without executing. Did he execute? If he executed, great. If he didn't execute, I mean, I could sit here and I could tell you what's happening and look like a genius with never placing a trade. You know what I mean? Anybody could do that. Executions, or I'm not impressed. And I'm not even throwing shade at ICT. I'm just saying that as like a general statement. ICT, if you ever watch this back, I love you. I love you, ICT. You're my favorite. No, seriously, though. ICT can't trade shit. I don't know if I'd go that far. I wouldn't be able to, like, confidently say, you know, I don't know. I don't know about, like, the income he's made from trading or anything like that. But it's not really important either. Like, whether he's made $1 million from trading or nothing from trading, it really doesn't affect me at all, does it? I think that's what people kind of get so caught up in. People get so caught up in, like, I hate to say the term pocket watching, but some of you guys act like someone else's bank account is, like, somehow going to affect your life at all. You know? It's kind of strange. Please keep me in the will. Exactly, Kevin. Don't take me out of the will, ICT. I know we've had our discrepancies in the past, but come on, don't take me out of the will. I'll be a good steward. I'll be a good steward. I promise. Big course guy, not a trader. Well, honestly, though, at this point, though, I don't know. I could easily. I just have a problem with the people that sell courses and mentorships, but they do it in a very unethical or, like, deceptive way. You know, I don't think courses inherently are bad. But obviously, yeah, do your own due diligence. I mean, there's definitely some people out here that are scheming you boys. But, you know, for the ones that do it properly and right and are legit, I mean, who's to say they can't sell a course? I mean, a lot of you guys go to college for 4+ years, and I mean, that's a course. College is a course. And I think college is the biggest scam. You know what I mean? And that's just so normalized. We could go down a whole rabbit hole. Don't get me on a soapbox, boys. Don't get me on a soapbox. We'll be here all day. We're not here for that. We are in the 11 o'clock macro, though, and I don't know, boys. We're still kind of holding this OTE. You know, we're chopping up here on the 1 minute. We're kind of slow. I'm a little kerfuckled, man. Are we going to go for new lows here? Are we going to rally off this OTE of this leg? What are we thinking, chat? We did just take out this low on ES, so SMT again here. Nika wants previous day low real bad. She wants that previous day low real bad, huh? I don't hate it, but Felix is liking the schlongs, he says. Yeah, I'm truly 50-50 here. I mean, just looking at the 4 hour, I mean, the 4 hour. The 4 hour gives it a little bit more clarity, I think, for downside than like the 1 hour does. And I would even say the, yeah. Let's see here. I'm going to drop back down to the 1 here because we are in the macro. So let's look alive. Let's see what we want to do. Kind of just waiting for some displacement in either direction here to kind of give me an idea. I would say, I mean, you would think that if we got some displacement down below here, I just don't love these wicks. These wicks are kind of fucking with me. 3 minute gap tag there. 5 minute, we may not see. Well, we're going to have a little 5 minute left behind. I don't know if we'll get there. We'll see. 5 minute candle closure here. Oh, shit. Trying to wait for this candle closure. Hopefully it doesn't run out without me, as it likes to do. But I think I'm going to try this short as long as we get a decent closure here. Yeah, I'm going to go for shorts here. Last trade attempt of the morning. If this gets ran out, then, well, it's just not my day, is it? I'm going to try the short. I'm going to go for this recent low. And we'll see see where we go, huh? Yeah, I'm in off this. Yeah. I'm in off the CISD here. 1, 2 minute, 3 minute as well is about to form here. Yeah. So I think we should be all right in the macro, especially. We traded up into this 3 minute, kind of banking on the fact that this 5 minute doesn't get tagged above my stop. And then this acts as our bearish OB, and we see continuation. For my entry, we're looking at like roughly a 2.8 R here, just to the recent low. Try to grab a full TP here. Neek, are you leaving some runners to the previous day low or what? I am watching Dow Jones. Dow Jones Asia low here, 658. We're coming close. We've already taken it out on NQ and ES. What was my risk here even? Oh shit, I could have risked. Yeah, I'm a little under risked here, boys. I'm seeing this now. I'm like, why is my fucking P&L not going up very fast? I'm a little undersized on that, damn it. Probably should have been like 6-7 minis. Or 6-7 micro, sorry. Yeah, I'm debating if I should maybe try some runners here. It is starting to look heavy here as this hourly candle is forming here to close. Or do I just take my low-hanging fruit and be done? How about this? We'll do 3 off here. I'll leave a little runner. Fuck it. I'll leave a little runner. Fuck it. It's only 1 micro, so yeah, kind of a bummer. I should have. I didn't realize it was only a 20-point stop. Yeah, I'll go break even. That'd be quite the loss if we didn't get the TP here. If we don't get the TP here, this market is so fucked. Did we hit it on NQ? Don't say we hit it. Okay, we didn't hit it on NQ either. Okay, we're good. We're good. There we go. There's TP hit, boys. I just got one running here. I'm just gonna see if we get a little extra bang for our buckaroo here. Selling fast, man. Selling fast. And yeah, dude, our lows are all the way down yonder. So, I mean, it is quite the run. Let's see here. Keep an eye on ES and Dow as well. Kind of outpacing NQ to the downside. We can start trailing, I guess. I'm going to trail to this hourly high. Yeah, I'm green on the day now. I'm just kind of letting this run. Unfortunately, I was a little undersized. I should be a little bit more green, but I was a little undersized on this trade. I did 4 micros on the last 2, so I think I just had 4 set. And then I didn't change it for this, but I definitely could have. Would I have closed all? No, I think I just kind of seeing this weight come in at the end of that hourly candle. I think I would have left the runner. I think I'd still leave 1 or 2 on. Right? I'm just not interested in leaving runners if we're going to keep showing that we're kind of range bound. If we can kind of show some, for lack of a better word, some girthy fucking candles, boys, it makes more sense to hold to me. But if we're going to get these doji hourly candles, then what's the point, you know? Probably going to look to trail up here a little more. Don't want to trail too tight, but also it makes sense to just secure as much as you can while you can. Trailed up to 717. Just staying above this wick here in the previous candle. Below target. Should I market this as a 10 risk reward trade if we hit full TP down here? Buy my course. Oh, come on. Don't do that. Don't you dare. I am trailed into an inefficiency on the 2 and 5. 5 minute hasn't closed yet, but it's about to. If it trails me out there, that's fine. Yes, live Monday through Friday. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, boys. We're still doing a giveaway after this as well, as long as the likes. I don't know where the likes are at. I don't know what the likes are at. I'm not going to look. I'll look after. But as long as the likes are good, we'll do another giveaway today. If you really go crazy with the likes, maybe we'll do two. Although you guys got me going through the codes awfully fast. I mean, look how many giveaways we've done in the last, this is literally like not even a month's worth. I'm trying not to block it. Look at all these tickets. Look at all these tickets, boys. These are just literally within the last, not even a month. It's a lot of giveaways. All right, new low there. I'm just going to keep trailing this. I'm going to keep trailing this. I'm going to go to this candle high. I'm going to start to trail aggressive now. We'll just get as much as we can out of it. Coming into the end of the 11 o'clock macro. You should win if the previous day low gets hit. How can I should find a way to rig. I gotta get creative, man. Yeah, we could probably try to find some, like, mix up some giveaway options. So like some of it's based on performance. Like if people like quite literally nail the market that day ahead of time. That'd be fun to figure. I'd have to figure out something for that, but something different than the, you know what I mean, than the normal, like, random giveaways. But technically part of my, like being an affiliate with the firms, okay, I'm trailed out there. Being an affiliate with the firms, it is one of the things that you agree to is that when you do giveaways, like, I would actually lose all my affiliate partnerships if I was actually rigging giveaways. That's against the compliance. So, like, everything has to be randomized and everyone has to have a fair chance. So yeah, final TPU is right here, boys. So final, like, you know, overall risk reward here was like 4.5, but I was fully, or like 3/4 out here at 2.8. So we'll see. Let me know if you guys are still holding. We do have some gaps that we are kind of maybe pulling back for here. This 5 minute opened up. We saw a new low. I don't really care to see signatures like that for continuations, because sometimes you get some deeper retracements when you see these candle lows be rated before the retracement comes in. Like, I actually wouldn't be surprised if we saw this 5 minute gap up here now. Generally, you kind of almost prefer to see the hourly or the next candle open up, leave the low, and then retrace, and then you see a shallow retracement. So we'll see. That's pretty sharp. That's pretty sharp. So yeah, just to recap, two losses. I was able to limit them a little, cutting them early, and then I did undersize. I just guess I wasn't locked in, chat. I should have been a little sized heavier on this last one. Could have been like 6 or 7 micros. Instead, it was only 4. So not as green as I would have liked to have been, but green nonetheless. I will put on the There's the P&L. But I'm fully out now. Fully out. Got trailed out on the last one that I was leaving run. But yeah, tried the continuation longs here. Cut them. Obviously, you can see the chop that we ended up getting stuck in. So, a little unfortunate, but yeah, it was kind of a tricky 10 a.m. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of a tricky 10 a.m. And then yeah, just to recap the trade here. Once this was choppy and chopped me up a little bit with these 2 tries, you guys heard me say I just wanted to wait till 11 o'clock macro before I look for something else. I wasn't too sure if we were going to see OTE of this leg, you know, give us a reaction. And then right at 11 a.m., we do see OT giving us a reaction. This is 11 a.m. macro, by the way. So 11 a.m. macro comes in. We trade up into an imbalance here to the left using a 3-minute chart here. And then any closures below this up close candle, I'm viewing as a bearish order block. Why? Because this accomplished something. For those of you guys that trade order blocks, if you're looking for like high probability order blocks, you want to take order blocks that have accomplished something. Took liquidity, filled an imbalance, etc. Those are your highest probability order blocks, is the candles that accomplished something in price. And given the fact that we're in macro, I can trust it, or I should say I'm willing to trust it. And there we go. Entry on the close of that candle there. Wasn't trying to be picky. It did tap the order block anyway. And then straight away. And try to catch a little runner. But yeah, now we're back in the 5-minute gap. We'll see though. I still think this should hold. I mean, if this obviously flips the 5-minute, then you're probably singing a different song. And then the one thing that I told you guys to keep an eye on was Asia low for Dow. And notice how this retracement comes in after Dow takes out that Asia low. So it was literally like super clean here. Asia London low. Dow takes it. Now you can see the reversal coming in. So it all kind of makes sense, right? But yeah, I'm not going to lie. The 10 a.m. candle was a little tricky. Had us in the first half. I ain't going to lie. Well, I was only risking 174 there. Let's see. I was down like 300. I'm up a little over $200 on the Lucid and Apex accounts. I am up 400. I had a 2x multiplier on my trade sinker for the ratios for my TRADEIFY accounts. So I'm up like a little over 400 on those, but yeah, the risk ended up being really light there, later than I would have liked. I would have been okay risking like 3 to 350 on that, preferably. So probably double of what I did risk. So, all right, chat. Let's do some giveaways, huh? Well, let's see what the likes are at. I'm gonna take the P&L off here because it changes with my monitor anyway. What are we at? Let me at 'em. 158 likes, boys. That's one giveaway worth. Let's not do Apex. Just because today is the last day of their 90% sale. So you guys would probably just prefer to cop those with the discount anyway. And I'm not going to lie, I'm running a little low on Apex codes for the moment. But do you guys want to do TRADEIFY or Lucid? I'll put a poll in the chat. Let me know, boys. TRADEIFY or Lucid. And then you guys want to do a duck race? Should we do duck race? All right. You talked me into it. You talked me into it. Yeah, so for the Lucid account, it'll be a 50K flex. For the TRADEIFY account, it'll be 50K select. The reason that the giveaways, so just so you guys know how the giveaways work as far as like acquiring or grabbing codes, like just for the record, it depends on how many giveaways you do, but the prop firms do give affiliates like a certain number of accounts for free to give away. And then if you do like obviously like a lot of giveaways, you know, you end up having to buy some as well. So it is a little bit of both, just full transparency. But when it comes to like the free accounts to give away, I mean, there's only so much value that you get to give away every month, or every month. So it allows me to do more giveaways by giving away the smaller accounts, if that makes sense. If I just did like the bigger accounts, then then obviously you're going to be doing less giveaways. Because you got to think, boys, these accounts are still like $100 in value, so they ain't nothing. They ain't nothing. But, all right, let me grab this contact information for you, boys. Prop account giveaway. What is the date today? 4/21. Hopefully you guys behaved yesterday on 4/20. You dirty birds. Name, email, YouTube username, and then I'm gonna add a section here for your Discord because it is you're probably gonna be using a ticket system anyway. So boom, boom, boom. Let's see. What is this? The Fed chair designate. I just saw this headline. He says he will not be President Trump's puppet. What do you guys think? Fact or cap? All right, chat. Here we go. Let me grab the form here quick. There we go. If you guys want to participate in the duck race giveaway, it looks like you guys are voting. We either do a TRADEIFY or a Lucid account. It sounds like you guys, 59% of you want Lucid, so we'll do Lucid. It sounds like if you guys want. But the form is in the chat. If you guys want to participate in the giveaway, go ahead and fill that out. I will give you guys like 3-4 minutes here to have a chance to fill that out, and then we will run a duck race, and we'll give away, looks like a Lucid account here. Well, let me know, boys. Yeah, I just need your name, email, your YouTube username, your Discord username. I'll be honest. I could start taking emails off of these because I really don't need your emails, if I'm being honest. And then I just need to know if ICT is your father. Just let me know if ICT is your father. We'll get you guys squared away here. What's up, Dylan? Let me grab a timer quick. Is this This is still going, by the way.
Inflation is quite imperfect data. And among the projects that the economics profession...
She is still going, by the way. All right, guys. Here we go. So sick. Also, if you guys want, feel free in the Discord. If you guys want, if you feel ever so inclined to brag about your trades today, feel free to, I don't know. I'm trying to think how would you guys prefer the Discord to be, organized? I'll let you guys tell me. I obviously we got the general chat in here for kind of just random one-offness. Fuck yeah, dude. I've always kind of, dude, I want my hair like that, actually. Damn, dude. Why they do me like that, though? Why am I just seeing this also, by the way? That's funny as fuck. I'm going to save that. But yeah, we got main trading channel. This is just kind of for trading conversation specifically. But like, yeah, do you guys want to do trade recaps? You guys want this to be the hub for posting like your trade executions? My original thought process was that I would use this channel to kind of recap the trades we take, but we can do it this way as well. Or we could use main trading. It don't really matter. Whatever you guys think would be cleanest. I'm open to feedback. But if you guys want, yeah, drop your trades. Drop your trades in the Discord. We got Nuts here with the dodgy Discord tag. Look how many shorts I took. I took till finally last one worked. Look how many shorts you took. These are all shorts. Damn. How about that? Hey, looks like me kind of today. Fake investor. Gee, absolutely nuked that one. Damn. Sniped the bloody piece out of it. Fake investor. Nice. The only thing Lev is kicking himself for right now, I think, is this partial. That's the only thing he's kicking himself for. He's like, ah, shit. But yeah, good snag there, Lev. Jonesy, is this one of the giveaway accounts? It's got to be at this point. Nice. All right, boys, let's run the giveaway. Chat. Yes, make that the recaps. Okay. Yeah, guys. All right, yeah, so if you guys drop your trades, we'll use the trade recaps channel if you guys want to drop your trades. I'll move this up, actually, underneath the main trading channel. So the main trading channel, we'll try to keep that for, like, current trading talk, and then the general chat is kind of just a bunch of nonsense. Like this shit. How do I get my hair like this, by the way? Do I need to get some, like, sea salt spray or something? How do I get the broccoli head going? That actually, I might be able to pull that one off. I'm not going to lie. All right, guys. Gave you some extra time there. Link. Create. Let's grab the duck race, chat. Let's grab the duck race. We're giving away a Lucid account today. Let me hide your emails so I don't dox yous. Don't want to dox yous. Okay, this is good. So everybody has the ICT as their father. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's what we wanted. That is what we wanted. Let me grab your YouTube usernames, chat. Copy. Grab the list. Clear the list. Let's see if let's see. Let's see who's got the luck on their side today. What do you guys think? Make sure, I'm just gonna do a quick little check here. I want to make sure there's no multiple entries. You get disqualified if you multiple entered. If you multiple entered somehow, you're out of here. All right, I think we're good. All right, chat. Here we go. 135 of yous. This is now starting to sell all the way back. Look at that retracement. That is nasty, is it not? If you're holding, that's nasty, dog. Literally 100% retracement to entry, or where my entry was, and now we're selling back off. Tough, dude. Absolutely tough. All right. Here we go, boys. Set the race up. Get the vibes high. And best of luck, chat. Winner gets a 50K Lucid Flex account. On your marks. Get set. Start quacking. All right, here we go, boys. Here we go. Who's it gonna be today? Who's it gonna be today, dude? If Jonesy wins, that's. I mean, I don't know what you guys want me to do at this point. I'll have to like double check. He might be Mossad if he wins again. If he wins again, that's just crazy. Anyway. 25 seconds to go. We got Abumo. Abumo out front. Definitely going to lose steam here. Naz Lover. Oh, not Lover. You hate to see that, though, right? You hate to see the early lead because you just know that that's not going to end well. Exotic Export. He actually won last week. I think he actually won one of the duck races, but it looks like there's no way. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, I was going to say, who's it going to be? This Panda guy? I think the Panda might take it. No, the... Oh, no. Oh, no. RTX DN8XI. What a name. RTX, are you in the chat? RTX, are you in the chat? Let me know. RTX is in the chat. Also, what are the likes at, boys? What are the likes at? I am a fair judge. Bro, you guys have no idea. If this would have been over 200 likes when I checked, we were about to run another one. I'm seeing 182. Listen, I'll get you guys trained. I'll get you guys trained here at some point. It's just going to take a little time. It's okay. It's just going to take a little time. It's okay. We'll get there. We'll get there eventually, boys. Congrats, RTX. Open up the Discord and submit a ticket in the ticketing section, and I will send you your code, RTX, here in a little bit. All right, guys. Congrats, RTX. Congrats, guys. If anybody, well, if you guys are green today, congrats. If you guys are red today, I mean, it was definitely a tricky 10 a.m. hour, I would say. And, you know, just caught in some chop here, me personally, and then got our vengeance here on the short, so. Got our vengeance back. We're green, so. 200 likes, too late now, Santana. Too late now. Nope. Sense of urgency. So appreciate you, boys and girls, though. Just a reminder that the Apex 90% off is scheduled to end today at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But if you guys would like to get funded with TRADEIFY, LUCID, Apex, Take Profit Trader, if you'd like to support the channel, the free streams, just consider using code Tyler. I do appreciate it very, very much. Thank you guys for showing up. As always, we'll be back live tomorrow. And we have Tesla earnings tomorrow afternoon, so we'll see if we can grab something in the morning tomorrow, and then be done and not worry about the afternoon. So appreciate you, boys and girls. Enjoy your guys' Tuesday. Thanks for showing up. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Goodbye.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Joints on my playground, never asking why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. Ain't you running, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade lots out, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights flashing, charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. stars making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.